Today, I am going to be fishing with Uncle Dave. Okay? And I haven't fished with Uncle Dave since about this time last year. So,
you can throttle it. Just don't do nothing yet. I'm just gonna tap it over and see what it does. That's the bad
instantly.
Battery.
That one's junk. Right there, the wood handle. I am if you are.
You ready to go fishing?
If you don't get in the boat, you'll be here by yourself.
Look right in front of the boat.
You got a fish?
There's like 5.
Well, we'll catch 'em. Hey, it looks like you even caught them.
What a fight for such a little fish. Isn't that right, Uncle Dave? Yeah, oh, Uncle Dave, look.
Oh.
I get excited, look at it.
Oh.
It's nature, look at it.
When I see 5 and 6 pounders, 8 pounders floating around, then I get excited. I've seen some monsters I couldn't get to bite before.
Huh, let me find him. I'll throw my bait at him and catch him.
Out on the flat.
Doubled up.
Another little tyke.
Same here. Thinks he's big. Tiny. Uncle Dave's got one too. We just doubled up. But again, nothing big. Stop. Listen. If you stop, you're gonna go free. What's clicking in your reel? Something is.
My handle thing smashed the thing. It's an old reel.
Oh, it's that. Never mind, you told me about that.
But I don't care. It works good still. Just the click is all it's got. I got a newer reel over here. This other one, I'm gonna throw it away.
Why?
Because it reels like a tank. Real hard. Can you see the edge of the weed? It's gotta be over there a ways now. Yeah, that's hard. I'm about ready to move.
I would definitely like bigger also. But it's still fun. Did you just poop? Did you just poop, Uncle Dave?
No, I farted though. If I pooped, it would be in my pants. There'd be a mess. I farted. There's a difference between pooping and farting. At least in my definition there is. Poop's when something comes out. Poop.
Spray my line, KVD, line, and lure. I'm getting bit. Double up.
They got a double. That's a good one.
Double up, Uncle Dave.
Come on. Caught in the net. Where is it? Here.
There you go. Look at that pretty fish.
Nice.
Uncle Dave, hold yours up.
He's a pretty one. He got it. So I could take the hook out of his mouth or what?
Oh.
Don't play.
He had it.
Don't play. Caught a little fish. But it's a fish.
Too cool. Small or big. I love them all.
No bite.
Oh, that's a pike.
Yep. You get him?
Yeah, I got him. I watched him chase it.
A little guy.
Watched him chase it. No.
There's your
Roar. There he goes. What trophy hunts have you been on? Like, what states have you been to?
Kansas, Ohio, Iowa, Northwest Territories, Alberta, Montana,
What's the
Colorado,
What's the biggest buck you've ever got?
whitetail,
Yes.
197 inches,
How many points?
14. Well, I've shot 5 14 pointers, and they all score between 175 and 197 inches.
Got it.
Got it. Another pike, huh? You're getting good at that. What do you call big? Or just bigger?
Oh, he inhaled my bait. And a pike will be coming up soon. Guarantee it. Good one.
Good one. Well, I need a net. Is what you
Oh yeah, he choked it.
Huh?
He choked it. He's gonna break off.
Yeah, that's a good one. Come on, take his head this way. There you go.
So your biggest deer on a bow is what?
My bow and arrow kill is 181. 181, 187, and a 164.
What about gun?
197, 187, 175. Well, he don't want nothing to do with coming this way. I'm only gonna catch one.
It's big. I know it's big. It's not a dink. It's big. Big. I mean big.
Yeah.
5 pounds. Hold on. 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Yep. Uncle Dave, you just caught what would have been my new personal best smallmouth bass.
He's a big one.
5 pounds, 2 ounces. Oh my God.
The biggest one I've got in a few years. For you this evening, give you thanks for this food. We just ask you to bless it to our bodies. We just thank you for the bountiful fish you gave us today, for the fun time that we had, and for a beautiful day. Amen.
Amen.